One of the most fun things to do in shag dance is to turn. So what we want to do is teach you a short workshop with 3 turns. Now, this is designed for beginners, so we're only going to be doing, our feet are only doing the basic step over and over, but we'll show you the moves to make this a fun turn workshop.
And first of all, we will demonstrate what we're going to teach with music, and then we're going to break it down, and then we're going to teach it in detail.
We hope you enjoyed this beginning turn workshop. First is what we call Todd's turn, and we just kind of got a little bit of this from somebody, a little bit from somebody else. We think we made it up ourselves. So, and we love doing this step, so we want to teach it to you. We're going to start with a regular basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Todd's going to do an underarm turn, but watch his hand. He's going to switch hands.
So when I take my one step, this hand and this hand are coming together, and I switch hands right here on that one, and she doesn't really even know that we've changed hands. So 5, 6. 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6.
And we're cross-armed. He's going to pull me into a cuddle position. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Tuck turn. 3 and 4, 5, 6.
We're still in this cross hand position, so to get out of that, we're just doing a pull through. 5, 6.
5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The second turn that we want to show you, we have just finished. I'm back on my end of the diving board, he's on his. We're dancing in this slot. We're going to do a basic, and then I'm going to turn in place, and he's going to turn in place. So it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We keep our feet moving all the time. We'll show you that again. This is an easy, fun turn that looks great on the dance floor. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The third turn is one we like to do. And as Todd said, we need to remember always, ladies, not to drop your arms. Keep your arms up. So it looks like this with the basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going to turn 1 away from each other. 3 and 4, 5, 6. So we have our hands up. It's easy just to slide back around.
And one thing, guys, typically this finger doesn't do much, but in this step it does, because as we're turning, I push her off a little bit with that finger to make sure she goes all the way around.
And for all of these steps, we're just still continuing with 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So this is a great step for beginners and intermediate shag dancers. So we're going to demonstrate this to you again at a medium speed and trying to call you the step. We think it might help. So we're ready, and basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. He's changed hands. 3 and 4, 5, 6. He pulls me in, and 2, 3 and 4. Now a cuddle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Pull through. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, basic, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and there you have 3 turns. We don't generally, when we're dancing on the floor, we don't generally put the basic in between these steps, and we may use 3 of these steps in different places, not necessarily in this one workshop type routine that we're teaching you with this one step. But I think it helps if you memorize a few steps and easy steps with just the basic, especially these turns, and I think you'll have fun with this. So I want to hope that you'll enjoy this step. We thought that it would be helpful to show you Todd's turn from a different direction. So, and I'll call it as we do this. We're going to do a basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Todd's changing hands. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Brings me to a cuddle. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Tuck 1 and 2. Turn 3 and 4, 5. Pull through. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. What we want to do next is to put this together, calling it, but moving just a little bit faster. And of course, you can rewind the video and you can watch it over and over. We also have other videos with technique on them and breaking down the basic and other variations of the basic if you want to watch some of our other videos, Shag Dance teaching videos on Dickson's DanceTime on YouTube. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Todd's going to change hands. 1 and 2. This is Todd's turn. 5, 6. He brings me to a cuddle. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Tuck, turn, and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Pull through. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Basic. Gives you a little breather here. 3 and 4. Now she turns. He turns. 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then the turn away. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Fun turns to do. Takes a little practice. Fun turns to do. We hope you will enjoy learning these turns.